How to start a profitable day-old poultry hatchery business. Are you a poultry farmer and you want to go into hatchery? That means you want to produce young chicks for sale. This particular video is for you. A poultry hatchery business is a great way to make money by hatching and selling day-old chicks. Farmers need healthy chicks to start their poultry farms. If you set up your hatchery very well and follow the right steps I will give you in this particular video, you can make a big profit. This guide will help you as a beginner to learn how to start and manage a successful hatchery business. So I will advise you to watch from beginning to the end so that you get the best. And if this particular topic interests you, give it a thumb up, like, and drop your comment on the comment section. If actually you want to go into the poultry business or you are planning to go into the poultry business in this year 2025, drop it on the comment section. Let's meet there. The first step you need is plan your hatchery business. Decide if you want to hatch broilers, that is, or layers. Broilers is for meat birds, while layers is for egg birds. Which breed, or you want to combine all the breeds of birds. Research the market demand in your area. Write a very good and simple business plan for your costs, equipment, and profits. Step 2 is choose a good location. Find a very clean and quiet place to set up your hatchery. The area should have good ventilation and steady electricity for incubators. And you must also make sure you have a solar system and generator for the power supply. Keep the hatchery away from sick birds to prevent disease outbreak. Step 3 is buy quality incubators. If you have watched the last video I posted on the use of incubator in hatchery, where I showed you different types of incubator and how to set up an incubator business, please follow that guide. Incubators keep egg warm until they hatch. Choose an incubator with automatic temperature and humidity control. Make sure it can hold enough eggs for your business. The size of the incubator matters a lot. The size determines the market you occupy. Because if you go and buy a small incubator, you can only hatch few eggs. And that few eggs will not be enough to serve your customers. Remember that the power consumption is very necessary also. The same cost of producing 1,000 birds is almost the same cost of producing 10,000 birds, because all the incubator runs at the same time. If you put on 1,000 capacity incubator and put on 10,000 incubator, the same process of checking the humidity, checking the egg process is the same thing also. The same staff that work there, the same salary is almost the same. So it's better you get a very bigger incubator at the same time. Step 4, get fertile eggs. Either you buy fertile eggs from the market or you breed your own parent stock and they will lay eggs for you. They will lay fertile eggs for you. So buy eggs from or parent stock breeders. There are some parent stock egg breeders. They breed fertile eggs for you. You can buy their eggs and hatch. You're only adding value to the egg and produce your own day-old chicks and make money from it. You can as well have your own parent stock that will lay the egg for you. So if you are buying eggs from, make sure you buy healthy, disease-free parent stock eggs. Store eggs properly before placing them in the incubator. Do not use cracked or dirty eggs, as they may not hatch well, because eggs that are too long, that have stayed too long outside the incubator, may not hatch. In fact, the good hatchability is within 6 to 7 days. Step 5, hatch the eggs properly. Set the right temperature, 37.5 degrees centigrade and 55% humidity in the incubator. Turn the eggs several times a day for proper development. Though if you are using automatic incubator, the incubator does all this work automatically. Everything is set and they do it on their own. They turn the egg depending on how you set it, depending on the type of incubator. Some turns egg every 1 hour, some turns every 2 hours. They do all the jobs on their own because they are automatic. After 18 days, stop turning the eggs and wait for hatching. Chicks will start hatching on day 21. On day 21, you see your eggs. You see them hatching by themselves. Step 6, take care of new chicks. Move the chicks to a warm and clean brooder after hatching. Give them clean waters and quality feed. Check the weak and sick chicks and separate them immediately. If you are selling, count them and package them for your marketers, those that will market the young chicks for you. Step 7, sell and deliver the old chicks. Advertise your chicks to poultry farmers, markets, and online buyers. Package chicks in well-ventilated boxes for safe delivery. Provide vaccination and healthy records to buyers. Starting a day-old chick hatchery is a smart business idea. With good planning, quality eggs, and proper hatching care, you can earn a big profit. If you have followed all the steps I've given you in this particular video successfully, you will get a good hatching career and a good hatching business. If this particular video blesses your business, please give it a thumb up, share the video to reach more farmers, and drop your comment if you actually want to go into egg hatching business. You want to buy incubator, you want to acquire an incubator, either manual, automatic, mini or industrial incubator. Tell me on the comment section. Let me guide you on how to go about it, and we can ascend and supply you the incubator. We have them in our farm here, both the mini, industrial ones. Any type of incubator you need, we have them here for you. You can see the last video we posted. They're all incubators. We also guide you, install it for you, and tell you the processes on how to go about it. If you need parent stock also, we also guide you on parent stock. Watch the next video on parent stocking. You get the best. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and once you subscribe, always activate bell notification, so that once you ring that bell, it means notify me. The platform will always notify you once a video is posted on this particular channel. And do your best to join this particular channel community. Our channel community gives you unlimited access to all our videos and attention to grow your own farm as you help us grow our channel. May God continue to bless you as we see you in the next video loading very soon. For now, I will say bye. Watch the video to the end and see the process involved. Bye for now.